Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to fix Wi-Fi doesn't have a valid IP configuration error on Windows 10 or Windows 11. Let's fix it guys. The first solution is to release and renew IP address. Using the command prompt, you can release and renew your IP address to resolve the potential conflicts. To do this, you just need to go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to copy and paste this command in the description. Release and renew IP address. Copy the first command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. And copy the second command. After finishing the both commands, you just need to close stuff here and restart your PC. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the second solution guys. The second solution is to reset TCP and IP stack. Resetting the TCP and IP stack can resolve IP configuration issues. To do this, go to search menu and type cmd. Right click on the command prompt and select run as administrator and select yes. Now you just need to check my video description for the reset TCP and IP stack. Copy the command. Tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. Copy the second command. Copy it and tap the bar, right click, eject and paste it in. After finishing these both commands, you need to restart your PC guys. After restarting your PC, you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the third solution guys. The third solution is to configure IP settings manually. Setting a static IP address manually can sometimes resolve the issue. To do this, go to search menu and type view network connections. Click on open it. Right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select properties. Select internet protocol version 4 and select properties. And you just need to select use the following DNS server addresses and type here 8888 and in alternative DNS type 8844. This is Google's DNS guys. After typing it, select OK. And now you just need to make sure to uncheck the internet protocol version 6 or here. Uncheck it and then select close. And now right click on your Wi-Fi connection and select disable. And now you just need to right click on it and select enable. Now you can check if the problem solved or not. If the problem not solved, let's move on to the fourth solution guys. The fourth solution is to update and reinstall network adapter driver. An outdated or corrupted network driver can cause IP configuration issue. To do this, go to search menu and type device manager. Click on open it. Expand the network adapter section. Right click on the network adapter you are using it and select update driver. Select search automatically for drivers. After updating the driver, if the problem not solved, then you just need to right click on your network adapter and select uninstall device guys. After uninstalling the device, you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, Windows will reinstall the driver automatically. After that, you can check if the problem solved or not. I hope one of these solutions fixed your problem guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.